The next verb that we're going to cover is the verb le'ehov. Le'ehov, the verb to love in Hebrew. And now let's see how do we conjugate the verb le'ehov in the present tense. The verb to love, just like all verbs in Hebrew, has only 4 conjugations: masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. And now let's see how do we conjugate the verb le'ehov in the present tense. Ani ohev, ata ohev, hu ohev. I love, you love, he loves. Feminine singular. Ani ohevet, at ohevet, he ohevet. I love, you love, she loves. Masculine plural. Anachnu ohavim, atem ohavim, hem ohavim. Feminine plural. Anachnu ohavot, aten ohavot, hen ohavot. Ohev, ohevet, ohavim, ohavot. The verb le'ehov. Write this verb down in your notebooks, and I'm going to see you guys in the next lecture.